Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm back with my last video of the day, and I wanted to come and show you a DIY that I did. So let me just tell you, this is a DIY I did on some home decor that I revamped. So y'all, I am doing some home decor revamps, and I just wanted to come and show you this one. So this one was a giraffe that I have had ever since I moved into my mobile home, and I just said it was, and I was just kind of changing up the colors in the room, and I said I need to change this. So what I did is I took this giraffe and I actually spray painted it all silver because this was like brown and beige, and all the paintwork that I did for that room is silver and black, or just silver. So what this is what I actually did, and so I am going to break down. So they had little things that was on right here. I might go back and add something here or not. I don't know. So let me hear from y'all. Let y'all think I should do. But what I did is, and if you can see, I filled these holes in right here. I filled them. I filled them in here, here, and these holes had little, even here and here. And I will, if you go to my Instagram, Alicia Burton 14, and I will give you I'll give you the name here, and I will leave some pictures on there. And I actually love this. I don't know if I need to add something to the edging or not, but yeah. But I have a little bit of glitter on some on there, texture to that, some texture to it and stuff. And that it is completely sealed in, and I spray painted to seal it in. And yeah, I'm kind of I'm loving this in thing and things. So it's just I'm loving this. I love how it looks. And like I'm saying, I will leave everything that I use to revamp it. Um, I want to hear y'all. Is it done enough? Or do y'all think I need to add some itty bitty pink in the ears? Let me hear from you. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.